Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change Calendly availability. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or guys, register if you already don't have one. But of course guys, if you don't know how to do it, you can go to our YouTube channel to get help there. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the create button where you can go and create a new one. We have the schedule events, upgrade plan, and the admin center. Also, what we have guys is, as you can see, we have the top left corner, everything about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change Calendly availability. So it is pretty simple. What you need to do guys is go and locate and open the Calendly app on your mobile device or of course your PC. Then from what you have to do of course here is pretty important. From the upper right hand corner, select your account icon. So as you can see, we have the account icon, which you have to of course go and select. From the second settings, select availability, then select the schedule you wish to review and update for the available hours for. And that's guys in a few steps basically what you need to do. It's basically pretty simple. You just need to go and take off a few seconds to do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.